Today I'm working on my 2013 Chevy 3500 Silverado. My switches in my door stopped working, my mirror control stopped working, and so did the windows. So I just went on Amazon and picked up a new set. I think it was like 23 or 25 bucks. My switches stopped working for my passenger side front window and my driver's side rear window, and I popped it up because it was raining and I was trying to get it to close. Now I can't get back in, and I bought new switches, so I'm going to be replacing that today. The handle is held on with two 10mm bolts. To get the old switches out, there's a couple tabs. They lock into there, and then right there, and then there's more on the back. Got the old ones removed. There's the ones that were in it compared to the ones that I picked up. They look the exact same. Yeah, they all work. So it's a pretty quick job. I had no ability to control the mirrors or except through the windows. So I dealt with that for quite a while. I finally decided to change it. Definitely worth the like $23 I spent. Thanks for watching my videos, and please like and subscribe.